Welcome to this video on phishing. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can stop it. What exactly is phishing? Every day, billions of fake emails are sent worldwide. Phishing is a digital con disguised as something you trust, aiming to trick you into giving up private information. Phishing is a social engineering attack where an attacker sends a fake message to trick you into giving up passwords, card numbers, or money. It relies on a fake message and human trust to steal your data. Imagine a typical morning. You open your inbox and see one new email, seemingly from your bank. The email looks urgent, claiming your account has been locked due to unusual activity. It pressures you to verify your identity within 24 hours to avoid permanent suspension and asks you to click a button to verify your account. If you look closely, you can spot the red flags. Notice the misspelled domain, the urgent language threatening account loss, and the generic greeting. Every phishing email leaves clues if you take the time to look. Phishing generally works in 4 simple steps, leading to millions of victims every year. First, the attacker sends a fake email. Second, the victim clicks the link. Third, a fake login page captures the credentials. Finally, the attacker uses these credentials to steal. Step 1 is the bait. Attackers send the same fake email to thousands of people at once, hoping a small percentage will fall for it. Step 2 is the click. One click on the fraudulent link redirects the user's browser to the attacker's fake website. Step 3 is the trap. The fake login page, which looks real, is actually a trap. The data you enter goes straight to the attacker, not the legitimate company. Step 4 is stolen. The victim's data, including their email, password, and credit card details, are successfully stolen by the attacker. There are different types of phishing. Email phishing is the classic mass-sent fake email. Spear phishing is targeted and uses personal details. Smishing is phishing via text message. Vishing is voice or phone call phishing. Spear phishing is the most dangerous because it's targeted. While mass phishing sends millions of generic emails with a low click rate, spear phishing uses a single, handcrafted email with personal details, resulting in a much higher click rate and making it hard to detect. The red flags to watch for include urgent language, generic greetings, misspelled domains, unexpected attachments like .zip or .exe files, and requests for passwords or card details. You can protect yourself with 5 simple habits that stop 99% of phishing attempts. We will cover these next. Here are 5 rules to stay safe. Check the sender's email address. Never click links, but type the address manually and use multi-factor authentication. Also, keep your software updated to block malware and report any phishing emails to the authorities, then delete them. If you clicked a phishing link, act fast. Disconnect from the internet, change your password immediately, and enable MFA on the account. Speed matters. The first 30 minutes decide the damage. In summary, phishing exploits trust, not computers. The goal is always to steal passwords or money. Look for red flags like urgency and misspellings. Defense is about forming good habits. Check the sender, skip links, and use MFA.